In previous video, we started to tackle subdivision era of ancient history of science and discussed prehistory briefly and concluded that prehistory was illiterate and anonymous. But albeit anonymity of prehistory, archaeologists and anthropologists have been able to make timeline based on fossils and remains found underground. So today we will be briefly getting into timeline based on different aspects. First in the list is history of Earth or Precambrian period, which concerns the development of planet Earth from its formation to present day. As we already briefly pointed out global timescale in previous video, which is a system of chronological dating that classifies geological stratigraphy in time. GTS depicts the large span of time from beginning of Earth to present. In geochronology, time is generally measured in MYA or MA, called as million years ago. Depending on that, Earth's history divided into intervals based on stratigraphic analysis, named as aeons, and each aeon is further divided into eras divided into periods further divided into epochs. We will discuss history of Earth in separate series. Secondly, we will be dividing prehistory in terms of species, which are basic unit of classification and taxonomic rank of organisms as well as biodiversity. The Earth has life since its appearance. Species continues to evolve, taking on new forms, splitting into daughter species, or going extinct in the face of ever-changing physical environments. Also, biotic material originates from living organisms and are capable of decay. Earth's biodiversity has expanded continuously except when interrupted by mass extinctions. Scholars estimated over 99% of species ever lived on Earth, 1.2 million, have been documented, and over 86% has not yet been described. We will discuss the history of species and biotic life in separate series. Third and last categorization of prehistory is on the basis of discrete quantified name blocks of time, called periodization. Major categorization includes cosmological, geological, anthropological, and historical periods into the origin and evolution of human civilization and divided into respective periods. Number 1 in the list is general period, which we have already given the name of history of Earth or Precambrian period. Second in the list is sociological period. Third is technological period. Fourth, war and financial crisis periods. And fifth is the period depending on ethnicities. We will be discussing all of them in separate series, and here's our first subdivision era, which is prehistory, is completed. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to subscribe the channel. It encourages me to work harder. Until then, take care.